I have just performed just 10-15%, and whole 80 and 85% I would give credit to my school, my teachers, because it's their effort which has made me reach at this level, which I did not expect to happen. Actually, the atmosphere which is there in the school, the Gita classes, the meditation room, are brilliant teachers. Those are par excellence. We cannot even just thank them in words. Literally, I would say they told me some tricks, some things to follow, and they have helped me to excel and reach here. I'll just thank my teachers. They have just put their heart and soul into it. They used to teach us like this, that we are their students, their children. So it felt really nice. A great connect beyond academics. It was instrumental. My parents, my siblings, they all have made such an atmosphere at home that I could study without being tensed about any of the other things. And that helped me to just concentrate. Of course, the school was very supportive. Every subject we had a lot of PDFs and other files, previous year questions, and of course support from the teachers.
The teachers that had also helped me throughout the process. Used to get all my queries sorted quickly. So it overall it was an happy moment. The school philosophy of Sri Aurobindo was good for getting to uplift my mind, and at not only just a base level but also at a spiritual level, a better percentage. Also, the school's co-curricular and sports activities were beneficial not only for a well developed holistic purpose of mind but also for an academic purpose that highlighted the result and helped me focus more on this.
I'm really grateful to all the teachers, the faculty, principal ma'am, my parents for guiding me and helping me through every step of the way. And I mean that truly. Marva ma'am, Preeti ma'am, Roli ma'am, they have loved me unconditionally, and I mean that in the true sense of the word. Despite my scores fluctuating up and down in the exams, they helped me. They took so many doubt sessions and extra classes, and I am grateful to them from the bottom of my heart. All my teachers have been so supportive. They realized if I had to do more of my competitive exam prep towards the end, they were really understanding. If I ever missed a class, they always helped me catch up and cover up. Both my sister and I are proud Jaipurians, and I don't think it matters if you're a current student or if you're an alumni. That feeling of being a mighty Jaipurian stays in your heart throughout. I constantly would get the feeling of being overwhelmed by everything that I had on my plate, but I think the practice of silence time that I inculcated in myself really helped me navigate through this feeling of being overwhelmed.
School has played a vital role in these results, not only these results but also the overall development. Our school believes in holistic development of the student, and I feel I have developed holistically, not only academically. So I'm really grateful, and I pay my sincere gratitude to all the teachers and the school for providing this opportunity, and School of Conscious Transformation.
Special thanks to Fareen ma'am. Otherwise, he has got 95% today because Fareen ma'am has done a lot and lot. One line read होता था इसका आर्टिकल का, और वो फोटो खींच के वो भेजती थी, और ये फिर बना के फिर आर्टिकल एक भेजता था, फिर वो फोटो खींच के भेजती थी. मीन्स ही शी हैज गिवन एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट.
वंदना मैम ने इनकी बहुत सपोर्ट किया, क्योंकि सीबीएसई से आईसीएसई में आए थे, बहुत डिफरेंस था पढ़ाई में. वंदना मैम ने इनको बहुत सपोर्ट किया, और इन्होंने भी पूरा उसका रिजल्ट दिया उनको.
Teachers as well, they have helped me last 2 years. Because of their efforts, I have reached this position today.
The motto of our school is conscious transformation. Class 10th mein I had scored 94.6, and in class 12th I have scored 97%. So I think so transformation is happening, gradual transformation. So I think so that is something that has impacted me as a person, that has impacted me in all my dimensions.
I was very weak in chemistry, but studying from Rashi ma'am, I got 100 in chemistry. And even in physics, I got 99s. With the help of the teachers of the school, I could achieve such a good score, and I'm really happy for that. School is already at the best because teachers at individual level analyze students' reports, and they give improvement feedbacks to each and every child. So that is the best part of the school.
मैं अभिजीत वर्मा के रिजल्ट से बहुत ही खुश हूँ. जिसने बहुत अच्छी मेहनत की. स्कूल के सभी टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल, सारे स्टाफ ने बहुत ही सहयोग किया.
The mantra is actually something that our school itself provides, that is holistic development. you have to score and you have to work in other fields like extracurricular activities. And I am very glad and I'm very privileged to be a part of this institution, which not only take cares of your academics but also provides you an entire table of opportunities that you can take into. And I think I'm very proud of it. Never giving up. And every teacher of mine has told me this, and they've told me how to be persistent, have perseverance in yourself, always work hard, and never give up. The English exam, I kind of lost hope, but then I remembered the wise words of my teachers that you should not give up. And I think that is what has helped me the most in my exams and everywhere.
पर धृति ने बहुत मेहनत की और सारा क्रेडिट टीचर्स को जाता है. अगर बच्चा जयपुरिया में है तो पेरेंट्स को कोई प्रेशर लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यहाँ की टीचर्स एंड बच्चे इतने रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं कि वो अपने आप ही सब कर लेते हैं.
For me, in pre-boards, I used to score very less, right? My teachers used to look at the marks and tell me, what am I doing? November or December, it was Deepa ma'am, our vice principal, who even called me to her office to ask me what was wrong. But after what the teachers did and after listening to them for a bit, today I can say I've got a decent result, to say the least. I'm disciplined for sure. I have learned how to work hard over this time. I've learned how to trust the process, as they say, over the time, how the teachers, I owe most of it to my teachers, right? It was through these years, they solved the stupidest of my doubts, right?